Well, welcome everybody to another expert interview session with HSO. My name is Matt Birtwistle. I'm the head of our manufacturing industry in HSO UK. Today we're going to be talking about the rental industry and solutions that we have developed to help customers in that sector. And I'm joined by Gareth Tibbles, who heads up our rental sector within the HSO. So, Gareth, welcome.
Thanks, mate. Good to be here.
Um, so let's begin, I guess, and just jump straight into it. And I'll begin by asking the question: what is the number one challenge that is facing organisations in the equipment rental sector?
Yeah, so one of the biggest challenges that we see is managing uncertainty, especially around equipment availability, pricing volatility, and economic unpredictability. Rental businesses, they're always grappling with inflation, supply chain disruptions, and shifting regulations, all of which make it difficult to plan fleet investments, set competitive prices, whilst maintaining high service levels.
And so I guess then the ultimate question is going to be, well, how do we help organisations in that space with the solutions that we have to offer?
Yeah, so HSO's rental management solution is built on top of Dynamics 365. So we're ingrained into the platform. That gives us the ability to provide real-time visibility into fleet availability, utilisation, and tying that in with the inbuilt maintenance solutions. This gives rental companies the ability to make proactive, data-driven decisions, even in the most volatile of conditions. It integrates financial and operational data, so businesses can then manage their costs more effectively and optimize pricing strategies. Plus, with predictive analytics and AI coming to the fore, the system can then be used to forecast demand and recommend fleet adjustments before issues will arise.
And obviously the use of AI is becoming more prevalent, and certainly over the last 18 months or so we've seen some huge benefits coming out with the use of that technology. And I'm guessing that for rental businesses, in terms of maintaining the fleet of assets, being able to predict when maintenance is best performed, particularly for those assets that maybe are at a client site for long periods of time, is something that would be a benefit, yes?
Absolutely, yes. That and the ability to drive predictive maintenance, that's one of the key drivers in the industry. Obviously, with the fleet being out, as you say, for long periods of time, it needs to be kept maintained to ensure that its longevity on site and to prevent breakdowns, which ultimately lead to delays for our customers and their customers.
Yeah. And I guess, looking at some of the other features within our solution, but where do you see the other key advantages that come to fruition to help our customers?
Yeah, so what we do is, as I said, as it's built on top of Microsoft Dynamics 365, this eliminates the need for any disparate solutions to maintain the business. So it gives you a single source of the truth across your financials, your operations, and business processes. End-to-end lifecycle management, from quoting and reservations to returns and billings, everything's under the one module. The platform streamlines each step of these processes. We leverage the Microsoft stack, so all the tools that the Microsoft can provide. So that includes, as we've mentioned, AI, CE, Power Platform to drive customer-centric tools. So that would include self-service portals, mobile access, and this enables the enhancement of the customer experience. We've also got the IoT integration, so we loop that back to what we were saying about predictive maintenance. We can tell when a machine is about to develop a fault and be there proactively, and that gives the benefit of of first time fixes, so we know what's gone wrong with the machine before the machine becomes a bigger problem. Compliance and sustainability. It enables the organisations to stay compliant with regulations and track their environmental impacts. We've also, with it being cloud-based, it supports remote operations, and that also gives the ability to scale. As the businesses grow, the system will grow with you. And lastly, our industry expertise. So HSO, we employ people that come from within industry, and a lot of the colleagues that I work with have got deep ingrained knowledge of the rental sector. We've also got accelerators that will enable us to reduce the implementation time and risk.
All sounds very good. Well, Gareth, this has been a great pleasure to talk to you and get some of your insights and how we can help customers in the rental sector. So thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Matt. It's been great.